Mr. Vaibhav Joshi, I am hearing that you take care for the quantitative area of the kitchen. So, how does this really work when you are handling the students and making them learn the quantitative and bulk cooking?
In this case, we already briefed to the students regarding to what is the menu. So before we are starting for the practical, so we are planning the menu. So what we are going to prepare. So what is the packs. So in this every situation, they handling the students just first starting from the cutting chopping, and then execution. So we will decide first key what packs for coming
Correct.
preparation
How
for the
many number
correct
of people are coming? Yeah.
coming. So on that basis, we are preparing a menu as well as food costing also, and the serving part also
Okay. So basically, they do all this together in one combined
combined.
practical. And
Yes.
when they prepare all this bulk food, they are serving it to the people in the institute, or how does this work?
Yes. Is this menu we are serving for the faculties also, and as well as the students also. Students also testing the same food, and as well as the faculty will test, and then they give the feedback on the menu.
Okay, so we basically invite the faculties in the end.
Faculties, yes,
And I have seen on Instagram pages that students approach for NSS activities, they go for
yes,
community engagement practices. So, how come it's really great to see that you are combining food as well as community
community
engagement
engagement.
practices together? How this idea developed with you? How
Uh,
did you come up with it?
the community engagement subjects is the syllabus, a part of the syllabus, and we are uh, com- com- compiling the practical, and as well as so we have most of the activities we are planned. The जैसे examples जैसे कि food food donation drive, as well as blood donation camp, health checkup, and as well as visits. This
Yes, I
all
have seen
including
a
in the
visit to
community.
Annamrit as well,
Yes,
where I
yes.
was seeing students have prepared the food and
Prepare
they
the
have
food and they
served
are
it
serving.
as well.
So 150 students we are serving on that day. So occasion of the World Food Day. So no one leave behind. This is the theme for this
Correct.
year,
Yes.
World Food Day on the occasion of. So that day we are serving to the orphanage.
Okay, so it's learning and serving to the society as well. Good
Yes.
to hear from you, sir. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much.